Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank y'all for joining me. Thank y'all to all my new subscribers. I want to thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. A lot of you came from Shay, with Crafting with Shay's channel, and I'm really appreciative. Thank y'all so much. That's all I have to say for that. I have an unboxing. It's a PR package from DP Clubs. DP Clubs is a diamond painting company. They do budget-friendly diamond paintings. They have diamond paintings. They have diamond painting pins. They have all sorts of crafts. So y'all go check them out. I'm gonna leave the description to a link to in the description portion of this video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna leave a link to this in the description portion of this video to their website. So anything you see here, feel free to click on the link. It'll take you to it. If it does not take you to it, that's probably because they have to restock. So with that said, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So yeah, DP Clubs is, they have a lot of different, they have a lot of choices as far as for diamond paintings go. So, if you're new to diamond painting, it comes with everything you need. So, y'all go check them out, y'all. Comes with a diamond painting kit. They got boat, Play-Doh wax, and a one placer. This is all you need to get started. So it comes with it. I ordered a round drill. In the budget friendly, I always order round drills. And y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, I order a lot of the same things. So, you know, there's that. I love this scene. I know y'all seen it already. I did this by accident. Like, I don't know how I picked two photos two different companies. That's what drew my, that's what drew my eye. So I thought it was pretty. It's exactly like the other one. Yes, I already know. But this is it. It's a barn with snow, has trees. And yes, I'm behind because, my mom and everything. But I'm catching up, y'all. I'm catching up. So the drill field is clear. As y'all can see, the drill field is clear. And it is a 40 by 30 centimeter. And it has 21 colors. And it has, on the left-hand side, a legend. And on the bottom right, a legend. It does have the DMC codes as well. I can't see y'all, so There you go. Like I said, the drill field is clear. It's not too much confetti. It's not confetti heavy. I love this barn. I just love this barn. So cute. I love it. I've been ordering a lot of barn stuff. So, the stick on it is good. I'm going to show you guys. See? It's pretty sticky. And like I said, it's a barn scene and it is a round drill. I'm going to put a link to this in the description portion of the video. And these are the drills. They come in plastic baggies, zip baggies. This is cool if it's literally already kitted up for you. I love the color palette of these. I love it. I love the colors, y'all. The colors are so cute. They have grays, they have some light blues, some burgundies, mauves, and of course they have a lot of white for the snow. So, yeah. I love it. So pretty. Color palette. Look at this color. I love this color. So yeah, the round drill. And I'm going to show y'all the next one because I have 3. Sorry for the noise, y'all. Okay, I did this by accident. I don't know what I was thinking. Because y'all know I do not do big, humongous ones from budget-friendly companies. I do the smaller ones because I feel accomplished. You know what I mean? So, this is a big one. Y'all know I don't ever do big. And it's square. I don't do that either on a budget-friendly. To me, they're like too, I don't know. It's different. So, I know it doesn't make sense to y'all. But I just don't do a square on a budget-friendly canvas. And I don't normally order big ones, but I made a boo-boo and it's okay. It's okay, it happens. So this one is, and y'all know I really made a boo-boo, right? I don't know what was happening with me, but it's a big kitty in like a big, I don't know what you call this right here. And it is a square. And this is the thumbnail. So y'all have an idea what it's like. The kitty sleeping in whatever it is. And it's a square. But the drill field is clear, as y'all can see. Yeah, it's clear. I don't even remember ordering this particular one. But so I'm pretty sure it was a boo-boo, but it's okay. And because I would never order this, y'all know that. Not a big one like this. It has 48 colors, and they do have the DMC codes. It's a 70 by 50 centimeter. And like I said, it's a kitty sleeping in something or another. But it is cute. I personally, I'm not big on, I don't do these. Like, I don't do these big ones. It's just way too much. And I know that don't make sense, but I don't know what it is about these. Yeah. But it has a good stick. Very sticky. And we're going to take a look at the drills. Like I said, it does have 48 colors. So it's pretty big, y'all. Like, you know. But the drill field is clear. It's nice. It's a nice canvas. It's really, it's soft and it's not stiff. It comes with a toolkit. So it comes with tweezers, a pin, a multi-placer, a one-placer, and a boat, and some wax. So everything you need right here, everything you need to diamond paint. Yeah. So, and it is a square, and I'm definitely not taking them out. It's in they're in Ziploc baggies. These are some of the colors. They have a lot. The drills, y'all, always look good to me. Like they're all, I mean, I'm sure they have trash in the drills at some point, but I really rarely have any problems with these at all. Like not too much trash or anything in there, with the drills. These are some pretty colors though. Look at those colors. I love the blues and stuff. Look how pretty. So they do have a lot of blues, tans, black. Definitely a lot of blue shades. A lot of the shade And a lot of these blue ones, definitely. So the color palette is not quite nice, you know. Yeah, but it's pretty big. It's cute though. Look at the kitty. Haha, kitty's so cute. He's sleeping. So it's so cute. I like it. I'm just not big on squares on a big diamond painting as far as budget friendly goes. But it is very cute. I like it. I like it. Maybe somebody that does square big ones would benefit from it. Maybe I'll give it away in a giveaway. That's a good idea. And we have one more. And I can't tell you if I chose this one or not. I did not. Because I wouldn't choose this because I have one. I really don't know what happened, y'all. I really don't know what happened. I'm going to show it to y'all anyways. But, maybe. Yeah, I'm going to show it to y'all. But I wouldn't have chose this. Like, I probably did choose it, and maybe I thought it was something else. I don't know really what happened, so I don't know. There's that. It is what it is. I chose it, I guess. I don't know why, but I did. I would have chose something else personally, but this one's cute. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 21 colors. And it's a little mermaid girl with a seahorse and stuff. And yes, I do like mermaids too, but I have something like this from a different company. So I wouldn't have chose this on purpose, but it is very cute. The colors are pretty. The drill field is clear. The DMC codes are on the side. The drill feels very clear. I love it. It's pretty and all, but this is not something I would have chose as far as a budget-friendly company goes, because I have one already. So, but it's very pretty. If you like this type of thing, it's cute. The colors are cute. The drill feels clear. This is the thumbnail. Let me show y'all the thumbnail. If I can show y'all the thumbnail. It really is so cute. The stickiness, it's very sticky. And I'm gonna show y'all the drills. It's a round drill. It also comes with a bolt, a plate of wax, and a pin. And it's a round drill, and these are the colors. Look how cute. The colors are pretty. I like the color palette. The only thing I don't like is they come in these bags like this. But, you know, it's okay. I like the zip baggies better. But the color palette is so cute. I love the color palette. Very cute. So, those are the three I got. And, yeah. I will leave I can't talk today. I'll leave it in the description portion of this video. I'll leave the links to the company and to the website and to the diamond paintings. So, y'all hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.